My 2023 painting series. Today I am getting my still life set up. I'm going to do a small short painting today, very simple, not complicated, hopefully. Sometimes I bite off more than I can chew. So let me go ahead. I'm going to show you my still life, and I'm going to show you my palette that I'm getting ready and my under painted wooden panel that I've got set up. Okay, so here's my still life. I've set up a dark background. It's almost like an eggplant purple with a pink scarf to go with my white teacup. Of course, I wanted the darker background because I wanted the contrast with the white teacup. And then I also wanted the green for it to lay on so that there's a contrast with the pink and the purple. I'm looking forward to seeing what colors I can blend and bring out in the oil paints itself on my canvas. So, speaking of canvas, it's not actually canvas, it's wood panel. I do an acrylic underpainting. Right now it's magenta colored. And then here is my basic palette. Leftover, I usually use leftover paint palette setups just because I don't like to waste the paint. As you know, oil is very expensive. So I've got my cerulean blue right here, and this is my Prussian blue, my ultramarine blue, and then this is that it's like a darker magenta. I'll probably bring in the rose, cadmium rose, to mix with the whites. This is my cadmium yellow. If I use any yellow ochre, it'll probably be with the gold fillet on the teacup, but we shall see. And then of course my burnt sienna, and then my burnt umber brown right there.